Hey, hello my friends, Rick Billings here. Hey, we're at the Winter Garden RV Resort here about 10 minutes where we used to live. You know, we sold our house, we're full-time in a motor coach now. And so I just wanted to shoot this video. I did some drone footage of the park here. It's kind of nice. We're heading down south about the middle of the week down to Alligator Park in Punta Gorda and Sarasota, Naples area. We got a lot of people down there we're going to visit and talk with, about our business. And so anyway, here's a little bit of drone footage from the park here.